Ooh, look at these new candles. They're the number 10 Zest, lime, basil, and cedarwood fragrant candle. How pretty for $8. Oh, I love this marble tray. It is fairly solid and heavy. Oh my, these are all on clearance for $10. Did I miss this last week when I was here? Or weren't they? I think last week they were still $18. Oh wow. Deborah, you try and be good. Don't need more jumpers. I know, but look how cute these are. Maybe just one. $10. No, you don't need them. Once you go home, you forget about them. But I tried that brown one. It looks so good with a white shirt and a white t-shirt and a scarf. And the pink one looks so cute. See, that's the benefit of not buying everything as soon as you see it. You just wait for the sales, try it on, think about it, and then you buy when it's on sale. Look at that. Look, there's a number in 10, 12. So I think I can wait, look around, and then maybe buy them. Oh, I love that brown. And I think it will look so good with this jeans. Look at that. But then if I buy it in brown, I have to buy it in white. Deborah, be good. Let's have a look at what's new at Kmart. Look at these boots for $9. I love them. I love the detailing. $9. I mean, really. You can't go wrong. Blue and white stripes are calling out to me. I'm seeing them everywhere. Look how cute this dress is. $35. It's the utility midi dress. No pockets, side split, and a belt. Look at this pretty green print of this dress. It's a long line dress. Shell. $35. It has a little tie at the back to cinch in the waist. And it's got side pockets. V-neck, front and back. And it's not lined. I like how they match the front button seams with the fabric. It's not something that's often matched. But here they've done it really well. Oh, I like this. It's a tiered dress. The button-through midi, pave grey dress. Now, I don't think it's grey. It's more of an olive green. It's got side pockets, a built-in attached belt, and ruffles at the bottom. Front paneling and extended shoulder sleeves. Very smart. This would look absolutely gorgeous with fresh white sneakers. Look at all these new linen dresses. I love them. And this one is lined. Not the sleeves, but the front and the back panels are lined. Long sleeve. This is really pretty. This is more of a mini length. So if you're on the short side, this is perfect for you. $25. Big buttons at the front and an attached belt. Very smart. This will look fabulous with tan sandals and a crossbody bag. It also comes in this beige stripe pattern in blue. Oh, this is a lovely blue. And in black for $25. Look how adorable this denim dress is. It's the boat neck denim mini dress in dark wash for $28. I love the gold button detailing, the old gold stud buttons, and it's got pockets on the side. Very simple paneling design at the back. These are gorgeous. They're belted play suits in khaki. Oh, these are adorable. Love them. Pockets, covered buttons, as in the same color. And it also comes in black. How adorable is this set? Denim vest indigo wash, $20. And the matching high-rise pants in denim as well with the side pockets. They look like slacks, but they're denim. Oh, I love that look. This looks so pretty over a white shirt. Or even just a white t-shirt. And it also comes in a crew. Oh, I love the ecru. Look at that. It's got side splits. But the ecru pants also have the wide high-rise pants that you can match it to. Or it's got the same pleated pant look. Look, I finally found it. The retro espresso coffee machine. I'm in love with this machine. Look how beautiful it is. I don't need one, but it's beautiful. $99. I just love the design of it with the matching bench mixer. So pretty. The bench mixer is $69 and the coffee machine is $99. And they've got the matching blender for $39. These acrylic highball glasses just remind me of something out of the 70s. And my mum has a pair of these in glass way back from the 70s. And we used to only drink from them at Christmas. And it would be champagne. And I used to remember all the bubbles would go up my nose. And I used to feel so sophisticated drinking out of these glass champagne glasses. Oh, I love these mugs. The pink and red. The pink is actually not very pink. It's more of a muted pink, so it's not glaring in your face. This is really pretty. I think I prefer the red one to the green one. Oh, what have I spotted out of the corner of my eye? A green marble paddle. Oh, this is heavy. You need 2 hands to carry this to the table. Oh, look at these salad bowls. Can't get them out though. All right. Let's look at the platter first. Wow, this is cute. Let me put you down. And look at these new round platters. $14. And then the rectangular one is also $14. Porcelain. I love checking out the really affordable pieces here in the kitchen section. Look how adorable these strawberry bag clips are for $3. They're just too cute. And then, oh, look at this. These bow bag clips. Oh, they're adorable. Remember when I went crazy trying to find these because I couldn't find them anywhere? And then I finally found them. Those are pretty. And these strawberry ones are really pretty. Actually, I do need a small frying pan. No matter what I buy, ours get wrecked. So maybe I might buy something really pretty. I need something small for when I make my eggs in the morning. And this is non-stick halogen mini frying pan, $6. I'm not in a shopping or buying mood today, so I think I'll save it for next time. Oh, look at these. The magic eraser block for $2. That's huge. Probably if you don't need it that big, you can just cut it small pieces. Oh, round magic erasers. Oh, they're cute for $2. You know, sometimes if you're not in a shopping mood or in a mood to buy anything, no matter what you see, just nothing comes home with you. And I feel like today is one of those days where I've seen lots of lovely things, but nothing is coming home with me. Do you ever feel like that? Where you go to the shops and you think, I do need a couple of things, but then there's just so much overwhelming decisions to be made that you sort of walk out with nothing because you just can't pick exactly what you want. Oh, I've been looking for this one. It's in white, the adjustable white bath caddy. You know, mine we bought in like a wood colour, a timber colour, and I asked my husband to paint it in black, and now I really want it in white. And I feel bad about asking him to paint it in white for me because last time when I made him paint it in black, he asked me, are you sure you want it in black? You don't want me to paint it again? No, I want it in black. I think it looks really good in black. And now I really want it in white. Did I ask him or do I just buy one? Let me know in the comments below what you would do. Dilemma here, ladies. Someone asked me in my last video whether these new memory foam bath mats were slip proof. They're not, but they do have a rubberized underlining. The website says that they're not slip proof, but I feel like they would be. See, these ones here are just made of cloth underneath. But these are rubber. So I would think that they would be rubberized, you know, anti-slip. Summer PJs are starting to make an appearance. I like these ones. They're really soft cotton. The only thing I don't like about them is that they're short. I don't wear shorts, even in pajamas. Oh, but these are so soft. They come in this beautiful red, well, they call it a tonal stripe, $22. Very soft. This is pretty. I like it in this color. Cream with blue, I think it is. Whisper, they call it. Then, of course, green. You can't get away from green, can you? Ice green. Oh, this is so soft. And grey marl. I like the white set. It's $12. The Whisper white waffle boxy tee, Whisper, women's wear. And the matching pants. And it looks like it also comes in grey because I've got the grey pants. But this store doesn't have the top. And look how adorable this Snoopy pyjama set is. Adorable. Oh, here are the tops actually. No, you've got the grey set too in the tops. And you can match it up with shorts too. Oh, these pajamas are cute. Peanuts. But they're more of a winter weight. These are great. Built-in bra cups. Tank and bra top. Nice and comfortable. Inside out, this is what it looks like. It's got a lightweight elastic under the bust line to give a little bit of lightweight support. And then that's what it looks like on the rear and the front. I like those. They look super comfortable on those days where you just want to relax and not wear a bra. Come in 4 colours: grey marl, black, white, and this lovely beige colour. What did I call it? Beige marl. And I've just noticed that now there's a maternity section at Kmart. Special tops and dresses that are marked as nursing friendly. That's new. I haven't seen that before. Tops and pants. It was so hard to find maternity clothes and breastfeeding clothes when I had my 3 little ones. It was very expensive to dress in maternity wear because there was nothing available. And what was available at Target and the likes was really poor design and just ugly, basically. Oh, look, getting ready for summer. Oh, look at these gorgeous pink-toned cushions. Oh, these are for outdoors. Very pretty. Oh, look at that. You can match the pink stripe with the pink and green toned flowers. Oh, that is so pretty. I like that. But then they've also got the green stripe that you can match up with the green palm trees. And the blue. And the blue, we've got the blue stripes on the back. Okay, so what am I saying? Okay, so the rear, the reverse is stripe. And the front is floral. And you can just mix and match it. How cute is that? Baskets. Rectangle natural coil basket. Oh, there's some nice 18-month organizers. 25, 26. I love looking at planners, but I no longer use them. So I've stopped buying them. What I use instead is lots of exercise books because I do scribble in those and make myself notes in them. Look how pretty these are. Love the flowers. 25, 26 calendar. Oh, look how pretty this one is. A planner with croissants. Oh, it's just an exercise book. A spiral bound exercise book. Look at these new colouring books for adults. Or children as well. But look how pretty they are. Ooh, I love these hats. Look how cute these cowboy hats are, especially this mulberry red one. Adorable. Look at the beading at the front. Or on the side, depending on where you want it. That is cute.